In this video, we'll explore the basics of BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation. Imagine you're a business manager struggling with an inconsistent customer support process. Complaints are registered, but response times are slow and issues slip through the cracks. That's where BPMN comes in. It helps you visually map out the entire workflow, from receiving a request to resolving it. This might make it easier to identify bottlenecks, standardize procedures for a smoother process, and improve team collaboration between support agents and tech teams. At its core, a business process is just a set of activities performed to deliver a service or product. Examples include online order processing, marketing, product development, or as in our case, customer support. BPMN is a graphical representation of business processes. It's a quick, cost-effective and powerful modeling tool for improving workflows and communication. Here is an example of a BPMN diagram for customer support. A BPMN model consists of several key elements. Firstly, a start and stop event. These circles represent respectively the start and the stop of the business process. Start events are indicated with a thin border, while stop events have a thick border. There might also be intermediate events, denoted by double borders. These represent something that happens mid-process. An event signals that something happens at a specific time, as opposed to an activity, which denotes something that is done. Activities are written as rounded boxes. If the difference between events and activities remain unclear, here's a simple way to put it. Events are things that happen outside the company's control, whereas activities are tasks performed by the company. This process starts with the customer submitting a support request. Thereafter, an automatic acknowledgement email is sent, before the ticket is categorized and a solution is provided. Subsequently, an intermediate event occurs. We wait for the customer to respond. After this, the ticket may be closed and the process finishes. But what if the customer responds negatively because the issue has not been resolved? To tackle this, we may use gateways. An XOR gateway, depicted as a diamond with an X in the middle, shows that the path forward in the process might take one of two pathways. Here, the issue might either be resolved, leading to the closed ticket activity, or the issue might remain unresolved. If this is the case, the path will loop back. The team will reattempt to provide a solution, before awaiting another customer response. An XOR split takes only one outgoing path. Other gateways exist as well, such as the AND gate, signaling that all outgoing paths are taken. Let's say that when the ticket is resolved, we want the feedback request to be sent, at the same time while the ticket is closed. To depict this, we might use an AND gate. If we follow the flow from the starting AND split, both pathways are taken. The closed ticket activity is started in parallel with the send feedback request activity. Once both activities are completed, the process may proceed. To summarize, let's go through the entire process of this model. First, the start event signals the beginning of the process. As noted in a label, this starts with the customer submitting a support request. Next, an activity is executed to automatically send an acknowledgement email. Moving on, the ticket is categorized, and finally a possible solution is provided. After this, the process awaits a customer response. If the issue is resolved, we move forward. If not, we'll loop back to the provide solution activity and try again. Once the issue is resolved, we enter an AND gateway. Here, both the two outgoing paths are taken. As the two activities indicate, the ticket is closed and the feedback request is sent. Finally, when both of these tasks are completed, we reach the end event, signaling that the business process is finished.